Surinam toads are truly fascinating creatures. Unlike most amphibians, these unique toads have a remarkable way of nurturing their young. Instead of laying eggs in water, the female embeds fertilized eggs into the skin on her back. As the embryos develop, her skin grows over them, creating a protective pocket. After several weeks, tiny toadlets emerge, fully formed and ready to hop into the world. This incredible adaptation not only keeps the young safe from predators, but also showcases the amazing diversity of life in our ecosystems. Nature never ceases to amaze.